Enjoy this essential oil meditation for letting go using Wintergreen Oil. This is a guided meditation for beginners using one of my favorite essential oils for meditation. And using essential oils for meditation helps you deepen your meditation experience and stay present in the moment. You'll even feel a physical release with this one today. So use this guided meditation to let go as you begin a new year, a seasonal cleanse, or simply when you need a shift. You'll start off by placing Wintergreen Essential Oil in your palm. If you don't have the Wintergreen Oil, you can use either the doTERRA Deep Blue Blend or the doTERRA Past Tense, as these both contain Wintergreen Essential Oil. So you can apply this oil, so take a couple drops there, and apply it any place where you feel physically tight or where you tend to hold tension. Okay, so that could be a little bit on your low back, could be into your neck and your shoulder area, perhaps your wrists, wherever that is for you that you tend to hold that inside of you, okay? Then I have you rub your palms together just slightly, just warming that, and inhale for 3 deep breaths. And after you've done that, kind of drawn that oil in, just place your palms face up on your thighs. So just being open to receive and gently close your eyes. So this meditation to let go begins with simply being aware of your body and the tension you may be holding on to physically. So sitting up tall, you can uncross your legs if you're sitting in a chair, and just find that place of balance. You can rock forward and back, side to side, finding your middle. And then be aware of your straight spine and that deep inner strength that holds you upright. And simply breathe in and breathe out. Following that flow of breath as you breathe in from below, and then release, let go and relax as you breathe out. Allowing your mind to travel up your body from your feet towards your head, pausing to let go of tension where you feel it. We're going to do this together today. So simply breathe in and breathe out and bring your awareness to your feet. Exhale, releasing any tension you may be holding there. Breathe in and draw that breath up into your calves. Exhale to release the tension there. Drawing that breath up past your knees to your thighs, to your hips. Just exhale to release. You may feel that your lower body is slightly warm, or tingly, or simply feels relaxed and at ease. This is what we're going for. Just take a couple deep breaths now into your belly. Release any tension there. We unconsciously tend to hold ourselves in, so just allow this area to soften, to expand. Breathing in, allow that breath to rise up through your low back area, releasing any tension there. Through your mid-back, all the way up to your shoulders and your neck. Just exhale, letting go. And breathe into your heart space and your ribs, just allowing them to fully expand and release. Breathing into your shoulders. You can even let them rise up with your breath and let them descend and relax as you breathe out. Releasing any tension that you may be holding there. Breathing in, breathing out, just relaxing all the way down your arms to your wrists, your palms, your fingers. Relax your throat, your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, and your forehead. When you've let go of this physical tension in your skeleton and your muscles, just notice that inner rod of strength that holds you upright as your body is relaxed and at ease. You don't have to hold yourself so tightly to have this strength. You're allowed to let go. And from this state of ease, just ask yourself the question, what can I let go of right now? Pause and listen to whatever comes up without judgment. And asking yourself again, what do I need to let go of in this moment? Go further by asking, and what else? And listen and feel the clues that your body gives you. Feel into an area of old injury. Are you willing to let go of protecting this area? Notice your belly. Are you willing to let go of eating habits and patterns that are not serving you anymore? And from within your heart center, are you willing to let go of past hurts that are done to you or by you? And connecting with that area around your throat, are you willing to let go of the restrictions and beliefs that are holding you back from sharing your message? Everything that you let go of served you in the past. So collectively gather these hurts, these feelings, these sensations. You can place them in your hands, thank them, and release them with love. And then notice that feeling in your body of lightness and ease and rest. And trust that you can keep this feeling of ease as you shift, change, pursue your dreams, and share your light. I'll have you just bring your hands to your heart, taking a deep breath in, honoring what's there, honoring all of you as you say namaste. Deep breath in, deep breath out, as you just gently open your eyes. So you can use this guided meditation as your shavasana, as you end your yoga practice. You can use it for a morning meditation on the days that you need to shift and step into being something bigger. Or when you're weighed down with regrets or pain or sadness. Just remember that your past was there to serve you, but you're also ready to move forward. So if you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, share this with a friend. We'd really appreciate that and help others enjoy this too. Namaste.